seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
So, welcome everyone to our company, Live Good. We are a US-based company with a primary products, no? As of now, wellness products ang ating primary products and digital service. And introducing to you our CEO, no other than Ben Glensky. He has over 20 years of experience in owning and running, distributing, supplying, and manufacturing wellness products, no, in the US and in different parts of the world. At ito po yung team niya, our top corporate team, our director for product research and development and product education, ang mag-asawa pong Dr. Lisa and Ryan Goodkin, no? So sila pong mag-asawa, sila pong ating in charge for product development and product education kasi sila po ay Doctor of Pharmacy. So hindi po ordinary pharmacy graduate lang, but Doctor of Pharmacy. So sila po talaga ang expert when it comes to ingredients, no? Sa mga nutraceuticals at saka pharmaceuticals. And on the right side is our Director for Network Marketing, no other than Sir Nodor Kazan. So sila po yung ating top corporate team, and introducing to you our grand upline, no? The founder of the Dream Makers Worldwide, our very own coach, Crown Diamond, Coach Fernand Santiago. So the first diamond in the Philippines, the first crown diamond in the Philippines, and the second crown diamond sa buong mundo, no? Na-discover niya ang Live Good January 18 of 2023. That was last year. Inumpisahan nila kasama sila magkakapatid and a few friends. Inumpisahan na January 19 and fast forward today, no, is one of the largest organization ng Live Good sa buong mundo ngayon, no? Sa buong mundo. So, with more than almost 150,000 people in his entire organization. So, ganun po kalaki ang grupo ng our very own Coach Fernan. So, the mission of the company is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without spending much. So I believe everybody would agree to me na health is wealth. Sobrang importante po ang kalusugan natin. Di ba? Sorry. Ika nga for me, the second greatest investment in life is our health. Kasi lalo na po if you are the breadwinner in the family. So to those breadwinner na andito po ngayon, you're the one providing food for the family, na providing the needs and the wants of your family. Nako, please take good care of your health. Your family should help together in taking care of your health kasi you are the most important person in the house and you are the most important person in the family. Pag ang breadwinner ay magkaroon ng problema sa kalusugan, hindi makapaghanap buhay, nako, apektado ang financial na aspeto ng buong pamilya. Okay? Now, second is maraming tao sa mundo na in the early stage ng buhay nila, they squander their health. No? Now, they abuse their health just only to find wealth. Pero maraming tao po ngayon na they are willing to spend their wealth just only to find health. So, ganun po kaimportante ang kalusugan. Sa Live Good, pwede natin pong pagsabayin ang health at saka wealth. Okay? Now, here are the products. Our products are GMP approved or certified, meaning approved when it comes to quality, purity, and potency. Pag sinabing GMP certified ang products, ay grabe, matindi po yan. Kasi very strict ang GMP when it comes to testing and certification. Butas ng karayong dadaanan ng produkto nyo bago ma-approve ng GMP. And good news, our products are GMP certified or approved. Okay? So, unmatched quality ingredients because our company use the purest and the natural ingredients and being sourced out in the most pristine locations on the planet yung ating mga ingredients. And of course, dumaan po sa ating world-class manufacturing facilities. As what I've said, for more than 20 years, our CEO himself is more than 20 years na po of manufacturing, supplying, and distributing highest quality na mga wellness products, no? Now, why buy from our Live Good? Because una, it's affordable. Mamaya, malalaman nyo po mamaya yung presyo ng products. And of course, of highest quality. Second is, this is one thing I love the company. Our company is logistics system ready. No? Meaning, day one pa lang nag-umpisa yung ating company ay logistics system ready na siya. Meaning, hindi na po natin problema ang pagpapadala ng produkto saan mang lupalop ng mundo yung ating customers or business partners. hindi na po natin problema yung pagpapadala. So logistics, hindi na natin problema ang logistics, at legal documents, hindi na po natin problema. Which is yan ang pinaka-importante po, yung legal documents, yung product, lalo na po pag ipadala po yan internationally. So marami pong mga ahensya ng gobyerno, saan-saan man pinadala yung product, sa bawat bansa may mga kanya-kanyang policies and procedures din sila, lalo na for products arriving in the respective country na products na intended for human consumption. So talagang for the safety of the public, no? For the safety of the public or for the safety of their people in their country, normal po ang ahensya ng gobyerno na manghihingi ng legal documents on the product, especially when it comes to ingredients. Kaya marami pong company na, or ako, I have some direct knowledge, no, in my mga previous companies na they cannot export their product globally for some logistics problem at saka legal documentation problem. At saka worst na mga cases, maraming products po na hold in the international pag pinadala kasi nga may problema sa legal documentation pagdating sa produkto. At hindi po biro yung mga halaga ng mga products na sent sa international. Talaga hundreds of thousands or even millions. Kaya sayang po, no? So, sa part na noon, logistics at saka documentation of the products, hindi na natin concerned, hindi na natin problema kasi it's the obligation and duty and responsibility of the company anymore. Meaning, yung risk sa ganung part ay wala na po sa atin. So, ang laking kabawasan po yan. Okay, of course, we have the life-changing products. Now, at this point in time, I want you to open your mind and I want you to open your heart kasi this is the part where a very crucial one for you to understand ano po ba talaga ang business model ni Live Good, no? So, ang tawag ko dito is the ignored or the overlooked industry, na industriya na hindi natin pinapansin. Ang tawag ko rin dito tahimik na industriya, pero they're making a lot of money. Yeah, they're making a lot of money. Ang tawag ko rin dito is a blue ocean industry. Pag sinabi pong blue ocean industry, meaning only a few people or company, they are into this kind of industry. The club membership industry and or the subscription industry. Yes, tahimik na industriya pero grabe. Ang mga kumpanya na nandito sa industriya na to, they are making a lot of money. Ang malupit ay it's blue ocean industry, meaning hindi overcrowded pa to. Hindi siya red ocean, no, blue ocean pa lang. Kaya ang sarap na nandito tayo sa industriya na to. Now, subscription industry will be a revolution. Maniwala ka sa akin. In the next coming years, there will be a lot of companies, they will be into this kind of industry. Kasi nga, may perang malaki sa industriya na to. The subscription industry or the club membership industry. Okay? I will give you some example ng mga kumpanya na nandito sa industriya na to. Like for example, Zoom. Ang Zoom po ay nasa subscription industry. Ako, month 1 pa lang ng pandemic, I'm a pro subscriber of Zoom. No, up to today. Now, according to Google and according to their website, Ang Google merong 300 million subscribers. Ang Zoom, no? Ang Zoom. Pero of course, marami po diyan ang mga free version. Yes, free version. So ipagpalagay natin for computation purposes lang, 150 million, no? 150 million ang pro subscriber ni Zoom. Magbabayad po ng yung pinaka mababa lang po ni Zoom, yung $10 a month. Now, 150 million pro subscribers magbabayad at $10 a month, 1.5 billion. Ang 1.5 billion dollar or 84 billion pesos 1 month income ni Zoom coming from subscription. Can you imagine gaano kalaki po yan? 84 billion pesos. Wow! No? Now, Netflix. Si Netflix po ay estimated 230.75 million ang subscribers ni Netflix. Now, ipagpalagay natin ang magbabayad 230 million at $10 a month. Can you imagine $2.3 billion or 128 billion pesos 1 month income ni Netflix coming from subscription? Ito, saludo talaga ako kay Netflix. Kasi na-dominate niya tong industriya na to. Itong unlimited watching movie industry na talagang maraming gumaya pero hindi kayang tapatan si Netflix. Can you imagine? Gaano kalaki po yung 1 month income pa lang ni Netflix? 128 billion pesos. Now, S&R. So I believe marami pong alam, no? Ito si S&R. Ang S&R is a club shopping membership company. Meaning, hindi ka pwede mag-shopping sa kumpanya na to if you are not a club member nila. Now, at the time na nagpa-member po ako dito kay S&R, that was 790 pesos. No? Now, 790 tapos wala ka namang product for that 790 or 800 pesos. Yes, wala ka matatanggap. Ni plato, kutsara, tinidor, wala. No? Kahit plastic man lang. Ang binigay lang sa'yo is just only the ID. No? ID lang po. No? ID lang po. Now, ang S&R merong estimated 2 million club shopping members. Magbabayad for example at 800 pesos a year. Can you imagine, sa membership fee pa lang, si S&R kumita na po ng 1.6 billion. Yeah. 1.6 billion. And as far as I remember, ang S&R is an 18-year-old club shopping membership company already. Yeah. Grabe, no? 18-year-old na po yan. Now, another one is Landers. Si Landers po this is a local one. Merong estimated 400,000 club shopping members si Landers. Now, magbabayad at 900 pesos a year at the time na nagpa-member po kami kay Landers. 900 pesos a year. Pero alam ko nag-promo po sila ngayon. Now, 400,000 times 900, magkano po? That's 360 million. Income ni Landers coming from membership fee pa lang. Now, Costco. Si Costco po is one of the pioneer in the club shopping membership. No? Now, estimated 124 million po to, hindi po 110 million, sorry. 124 million ang club shopping members ni Costco. Buong mundo. no, buong mundo. So, can you imagine, dalawang klase yung membership ni Costco, may $60 a year at saka $120 a year. Alam ko dyan, premium at saka VIP membership. Now, shall we say, doon na tayo sa pinakababa, sa $60 a year. So can you imagine, 124 million club shopping members magbabayad kay Costco at $60 a year. Wow! Magkano po yan? That's $7.44 billion or 416 billion pesos income ni Costco coming from membership fee pa lang. And take note, that's 1 year only. Can you imagine? Now, napag-alaman namin sa aming pananaliksik, sa aming pagre-research, no, sa aming pagre-research, na kaya pala ganito kalaki si Costco. And take note, si Costco is already a 40-year-old 40-year-old club shopping membership company. So can you imagine, 40-year-old na to. Now, kaya pala sobrang laki ito kasi we found out marami pa ng mga negosyante na nagme-member dito kay Costco. Ang habol po nila discount. Kasi pag nag-sale po talaga si Costco, my God, sobrang bagsak presyo. Sobrang mura ang presyo. Yes, sobrang mura ang presyo ni Costco. Now, nagagawa ni Costco na mababang presyo. Una, nakakabili siya ng direct to the factory, no? Now, direct to the factory, Bakit? Ay may kakayanan siya. Halimbawa, for example, branded shoes, for example, pwede siya dumiretso kay Nike. Sasabihin niya kay Nike, "Hey Nike, how many millions of pairs of shoes ang kayang i-produce mo in 1 year?" Sasabihin lang niya ni Nike, "We can produce 20 million pairs of shoes." Anong sasabihin ni Costco? "Okay, I will buy your 1 whole year production." Kung ako Nike, payag ako. Bakit? Isa lang tao kausap ko. O, di ba? Isang kumpanya lang. Ang gagawin nyo lang naman ni Nike, i-double lang yung production niya. Now, ano sasabihin ni Costco? Bigyan mo ako ng pinakasagad na presyo. So, bibigyan ng pinakamurang presyo, talagang factory price. Now, ibibenta ni Costco, discounted. No, ang mga members. Kasi yun nga ang dahilan Sa $60 or $120 man binayad nung nag-member kay Costco, walang product yan. Wala. Ni plato, kutsara, tinidor, ni t-shirt man lang. Wala. Walang binigay si Costco. It's just only an ID. Pero bakit ang mga tao ay okay lang sa kanila? Nagbigay sila $60 a year, $120 a year, kahit walang kapalit na product, okay lang sa mga nag-member. What they are aftering is the privilege or the benefit na nakakabili sila anytime ng discounted. Ay lalo na pag nag-sale si Costco. Imagine, discounted na pag nag-sale pa, bagsak presyo. Talagang murang-mura. Kaya ginagawa ng mga negosyante dito, pag mag-sale si Costco, oh my God, to by container van, binibili ng mga negosyante. Yes, container van binibili. Tapos, yun na yung negosyo nila. Siniship nila saan mang lupalop ng mundo yung negosyo nila. Kaya pala, umabot ng 40 years si Costco. Kasi sa ganung sistema, kumbaga meron kang community, meron kang sureball na community of buyers, loyal community na mga buyers kasi through the club membership, no, through the club membership program ni Costco. So maganda talaga to na business model. Itong club membership na business model or subscription na business model. Okay. Now, balikan natin idagdag pa natin dyan yung mga telco companies like Smart, Globe, PLDT, cable companies, ang dami nila. No? Now, they have millions of subscribers. They earn billions kada buwan. Can you imagine? Okay, balikan natin konti. Balik tayo konti. Now, for example, mula kay Zoom. Si Zoom kumikita $1.5 billion a month or 84 billion pesos isang buwan. Now, si Netflix kumita 128 billion pesos 1 month income. Si SNR 1.6 billion 1 year income from membership. Si Landers 360 million a year. Si Costco, 416 billion pesos in a year membership fee income pa lang. Now, si telco companies, ang tanong, itong mga kumpanyang binabanggit ko po sa inyo, billion kinikita nila. Ang tanong, meron ba silang binabalik na income na to their members? To their subscribers? Nagbibigay ba sila ng profit sharing or dividends to their members of subscribers? Meron o wala? Sige nga, type in our chat box para malaman ko kung naintindihan nyo ba yung aking paliwanag. Yung mga kumpanya na to kumikita ng bilyones per month or per year. No, meron ba silang binibigay na income, dividends, or profit sharing to their club members or subscribers? Meron o wala? Sige nga, tingnan natin kung naintindihan nyo ba yung aking paliwanag. Ayan, ang mga sagot ni Coach Marjon, wala. Si Coach Manilyn, wala. Si Christina, wala. Si Mario, wala. Si Ami, wala. Si Mayleven, wala. Si Tim Hazel, wala. Si Roman, wala. O, di ba? Imagine, wala. Yan, nandito yung aking idol since bata pa ako. Si Coach Jericho. I-ring ko na ko, isang tumbling diamond na to. Coach Jake. Imagine. Now, can you imagine, ha? Walang binibigay na dividends, profit sharing, or income man lang yung mga kumpanya na yan, mga walang hiyang kumpanya na yan. Pero, okay lang din sa mga club members nila. Now, for me, para sa akin, hindi naintindihan yung mga kumpanya na yan na their club members or subscribers are the most important valued business partners nila. It's the main source of their income. Pero why these companies are not giving dividends man lang or profit sharing? No? Now, ladies and gentlemen, isinilang na po, Live Good. Live Good is a club membership or it's also an affiliate subscription company. We are into club membership, we are into affiliate subscription din po. Kaso lang, we are the first company in the club membership industry. We are the first company in the subscription industry. And we are the first company in the world today in the MLM industry na may ganitong business model na club membership or subscription na business model. We are the first company na nagbibigay ng dividends, profit sharing, or income to its club members or subscribers. Kaya we are the pioneer in the industry of MLM na may ganitong klaseng business model. Kaya No wonder why in our first 1 year, we have 1 million global members na po in just 1 year. Kaya magpaulan ka ng maraming puso dyan. Kaya ang swerte-swerte mo. Ayan, okay. Now,
This meeting is being recorded.
ayan, ngayon pa nag-recording. Okay, so we are the first company that gives a payback, no? That gives payback to its club members, no? Club members. Kaya, teka. Okay, now tuloy tayo. Now, ang Live Good will be exactly like Amazon in the future, and our direction will be exactly like Amazon. Now, if you know the story of Amazon, kung hindi mo pa alam, naku, i-google mo na lang. Ang Amazon po started. Pero teka muna sandali. Gusto ko maintindihan yung parte na to. Now, ang tanong ngayon, ang club membership business model, ang subscription business model, proven and tested na ba? No? Si Costco 40 years. Si Landers ilang taon na ba to? Now, si S&R 16 years. Si Netflix ang tagal na sa industriya na yan. Si Zoom. Now, lumaki ito mga kumpanya na to, proven and tested ba na ang club membership na business model, ang subscription business model ay proven and tested or successful na ba na business model? Yes or yes? Type in our chat box. Sige nga. Of course, yes. Proven and tested na. 40 years na si Costco. Plus, si S&R ay 18 years na. Ito malupit. Si Amazon nagsimula ng 1995, yan po ay 29 or 30 years na very successful club membership or subscription din ang business model ni Amazon. Can you imagine Amazon in 1995? It started with one product only at libro. No? Libro ang unang binenta ni Amazon, ni Jeff Bezos. Bakit libro? Kasi yun yung immediate available na ma-provide niya na product sa platform ng Amazon. Kasi yun ang negosyo ni Jeff Bezos before he put up the Amazon online shopping platform. At nakita niya ni Jeff Bezos na ang future of buying and selling will be via online. Nakita niya ang advantage na pag via online, number one, ang market mo buong mundo agad. Compared sa traditional business, kung saan ang negosyo mo nakatayo, kung saan yung physical store mo, doon lang within that area lang po ang market, meaning very limited. Now sa online shopping platform, buong mundo agad ang market mo. So anong ginawa ni Jeff Bezos? Naghanap siya ng kaibigan. At yung kaibigan niyang babae na computer science graduate, nagpatulong si Jeff Bezos na ma-develop ang online store. And actually, nagiging business partner na yan. Now, my dear coaches and leaders at sa mga invited guests natin, libro ang unang binenta ni Amazon 1995. Bakit libro? Yun ang immediate available products na mai-provide ni Jeff Bezos. Kasi yun nga ang negosyo niya before. But fast forward today, after 30 years, I tell you guys, grabe, you can buy almost everything kailangan ng tao, nandyan na po sa Amazon. And Amazon is a multi-billion dollar subscription club membership company. And meron kaming computation nito in the next coming years, no? In the next 5 years, Amazon sa club membership fee income pa lang o revenue ni Amazon, it's more than 1 trillion. Grabe, no? 1 trillion, it's more than 1 trillion ang magiging income ni Amazon for 1 year sa membership fee pa lang or subscription income pa lang. Wow! Grabe. Kasi nasa more than 200 million na po ang Prime Club members ni Amazon. Itong more than 200 million na to, they are paying their club membership fee or subscription fee. Kung 1 year ang babayaran mo, $139 for 1 year. Kung hindi mo afford ang 1 year, magbayad ka $14.99 a month. Ang habol mo lang, maka-discount ka lang pag bumili ka kay Amazon. So another question is, proven and tested na ba ang subscription na business model? Proven and tested na ba ang club membership? Yes na yes. 30 years na si Amazon. 200 million plus ang kanilang subscribers or club members. So si Live Good, ganun din po, ladies and gentlemen. We started December 12 of 2022 sa Florida, USA. Dumating sa Pilipinas January 19, 2023. Kaya ang swerte natin, 1 month lang ang pagitan ng Amerika at saka Pilipinas, no? Now, Live Good started with wellness products. Bakit ang first product natin ay wellness? Kasi yun ang immediate available mai-provide ni Sir Ben Glensky. Bakit? Negosyo niya yan. For the last 20 years, our CEO is into 20 years of manufacturing, supplying, distributing highest quality na wellness products. As of now, ang ating primary products will be wellness. Pero I tell you guys, in the next coming years, we have already ready in the pipeline. We have 200 products ready na in the pipeline. We will be the next Amazon. No, meaning, sari-saring mga produkto na po mabibili natin in the next coming years. From wellness products, apparels, no, branded shoes, gadgets, no, laundry products, no, and we will be a wholesaler also in the travel industry and a lot more of products. Can you imagine in the next coming 3 to 5 years, ano ang magiging itsura ni Live Good, no? Because we are unstoppable. We will be the next Amazon in the MLM industry with a business model na club membership or subscription na business model. Now, we are the first company na nagbibigay ng dividends, profit sharing, income, or bonuses to its subscribers or members na hindi nagagawa ng ibang mga company like Amazon, Costco, etc. Okay? So, kaya very exciting, no? Very exciting to. Okay. Now, so how to become a club member kay Live Good? Dalawang klase ating membership. We have the regular membership and the affiliate membership. Now, pag regular membership ang pinili mo, now ang privilege mo lang, discounted ka lang anytime bibili ka ng produkto. Up to 75% or more na maka-discount sa ka-product. Pero hanggang dyan lang ang privilege mo. Discounted ka lang, hanggang dyan lang. Now, walang income, walang negosyo. Now, ang affiliate membership naman, kung anong privilege ni regular, ganun din po ang privilege ni affiliate. Meaning, discounted ka up to 75% or more of the products when you buy. Kaso lang, pag affiliate membership ang pinili mo, meron kang 8 ways to earn. Actually, 8 ways to earn na po yan. Meaning, may business side. May malaking negosyo pag-affiliate membership. Okay? So, how to become a regular member? To become a regular member lang, magbayad ka lang $995 kada buwan. Now, sa $995 mo kada buwan, wala kang physical product na matatanggap niyan kada buwan. Wala ni plato, kutsara, tinidor, wala ka rin matatanggap niyan. But for your $995, no? Ang privilege mo dyan, number one is you can buy products at a wholesale price anytime. As soon as nakapagbayad ka ng inyong club membership fee for that month, meaning for that month, yung privilege or benefit mo na bilang makakabili ng wholesale price ay mai-enjoy mo yan kasi nagbayad ka ng 1 month. If you choose bi-monthly na babayaran mo. Pero if you choose annual or yearly, much better kasi makaka-discount ka ng 2 months or 20% ang ma-discount mo. So, like for example, ito po yung mga presyo ng product like our soap, Super Reds. Nasaan ba yung aking mga presensya? Medyo malayo yung nilagyan ng mga product. Dapat pala sa gilid ko lang yan. Now, like our Super Reds, can you imagine? $18 lang po yan, members price. So, dapat pala ma-compare natin. Okay. So, members price. So, magkano po yan? That's only around mga 1,000 pesos. 1 canister na po. Yes, 1,000 pesos, 1 canister. Alam mo, kinumpart ko to, may bago akong technique. May ibang company, anong ginagawa nila? Meron din silang closely related sa ganitong produkto, but not into canister. They are into capsules. Alam mo, kinumpute ko po, kung capsule by capsule, umaabot to around 500 capsules. And they are selling it at a very high price. Kumantala tayo, isang canister, 1,000 pesos lang. Tawan-tawa nga ako. Grabe, kung ang lupit. Now, lalo na po pagbabaan nila yung milligram, aabot to mga around 1,000 capsules sa ibang company. Meaning ganun po tinipid yung ibang company. Samantala sa atin, murang-mura na 1 canister pa. Di ba? Now, eto, multivitamins for women, one of the hot cake product natin. Can you imagine, $995 per bottle of 60 capsules. Magkano lang yan? Mga around 600 pesos, 60 capsules pa po yan. Ang ibang kumpanya po niya, 30 capsules lang po sa kanila. They are selling at 1,500 or almost 2,000. Samantala sa atin, 1 bottle of 60 capsules, members price, wholesale price, yan na po, $995 or nasa mga around 600 pesos. So murang-mura, take note, US product, GMP certified product pa. Eto, magnesium complex, $895, magkano to? Wala pa sa 600, mga 400 pesos lang po yan. 500 pesos. 500 pesos, ultra magnesium complex. Magnesium is very good for the muscle, nerve, energy, and maganda rin po ang magnesium for the heart, no? For the heart. Now, yung ating D3K2, this is a vitamin D and vitamin K. Magkano yan? 500 pesos ulit or $850. Now, factor 4. Ang factor 4 po natin, nasa 1,000 plus lang po to as far as I know. Wala pala dito, no? Tingnan ko po. Now, a factor 4 is one of my favorite product. Nakatatlong, Nakatatlong bottles na yata ako dito. Ang lakas ko lumaklak nito. Yung ating factor 4. Now, yan po ay magkano lang po yan? That's around, pasensya. Ayan. $18.50 lang po. Magkano po yung 18.50 in peso? My God. 1,000 pesos nga. Yeah. 60 capsules. Now, eto. Excited na ako. Last week lang po to, mga 2 weeks ago lang po, nailansing ating E3. I'm very excited for this. Lalo ako every morning, nagbabiking po kasi ako. Now, this is good for instant energy endurance and it's good for electrolytes in our body. So, lalo na po sa mga athletic person, pinagpawisan ka ng pinagpawisan. So, this is very good yung ating E3. And I believe maganda rin to for if you know someone na nakaranas ng LBM. Maganda to, no? Itong E3 na to. So can you imagine $18 one canister, 1,000 pesos. I'm very excited, no? Sa product na to. By the way, the other day may nag-unboxing ako. Now, kanina may dumating na naman. I-unboxing ko to, i-live ko to. May dumating na naman kaming, paano ba? Ayan, no? Kanina lang may dumating na naman na order akong product. The other day meron, kanina may dumating. Ang sarap, no? Super Greens. One canister, $18. Ay, nako. Basta, maraming products. Visit nyo lang yung ating website. Okay. Eto, multivitamins for women. Ganon din po ulit. 1,000 pesos, no? 1,000 pesos. 60 capsules na po yan. One bottle. Okay. Now, hoy! Alam mo itong methylene blue. Ito, oh. Ayan. Alam mo, kanina ko lang ito natikman. Yan. Ang sarap! Ang sarap po ito. Try niyo po. Yan, methylene blue. That's good for memory, good for mood elevation, longevity, anti-aging, etc. Ang sarap ng lasa. Now, okay. Yun yung regular membership. No? So anytime bibili ka ng produkto, discounted ka. Pero hanggang doon ka lang, discounted ka lang. Now, gusto mong kumita, be an affiliate. Okay? Gusto mong kumita, be an affiliate business partner of our company. Paano? Of course, bayad ka 49. Masarap nga, nainom din ako. Uy, iniinom ba yun, Rosalie? Now, $49.95, no? $49.95 to become an affiliate member. One-time payment lang po ang $49.95. Hindi na po kailangan buwan-buwan magbabayad ka ng $49.95. Magkano yan? Mga around 1,000 pesos lang. Sa $49.95 mo, wala kang physical product na matatanggap niyan. Again, walang physical product or tangible product. Wala kang matatanggap. Pero meron kang matatanggap na non-tangible product. Ano po yun? Meron kang website. No, nilagay pala sa ilalim ng dila. No, ilalim ng dila or it melts in the tongue. Ang sarap, promise. Try nyo. Okay? Now, to become an affiliate ay one-time payment of $49.95 wala kang physical product, ang kapalit po niyan will be meron kang 3 websites. Sa 3 websites mo na yan, meron kang number 1, retailing website. Ayan. Ano po yung retailing website na yan? Or your retailing online store? Meron kang kakilala, kaibigan, saan mang lupalop ng mundo, no? Ang isend mo sa kanya pag interesado sa bumili ng product, ang isesend mo sa kanya ay yung inyong retailing website. Kaya gone are the days na magbahay-bahay ka, magbitbit ng produkto para magbenta. No. We are now living in the world of digital. Now, ang isesend mo sa kakilala, kaibigan mo, saan mang lupalop ng mundo yan, is your retailing website. Nandun lahat ng products ni Live Good. Ano mang magustuhan ng kakilala, kaibigan mo, of course, ang presyo doon, retail price. Anong gagawin niya? Order sa online, bayad sa online, Live Good na po ang magpadala ng product sa kanya. And since website, retail website ang ginamit mo, ang ginamit ng kaibigan mo para umorder ng product, malalaman nyo ng system na retail website mo. So whatever will be retailing profit na para sa'yo, ibibigay ni Live Good para sa'yo. O di ba? It's a smart way of selling. And then ang market mo, global na. No? Global na. Kaya high-tech talaga tayo. So bayad ka, $49.95, one-time payment. You are an official affiliate member na. And of course, kada buwan, be an active club member para you can buy anytime wholesale price. Okay? Second website na meron ka is your personal website. Ano yung personal website? Doon ka bumili anumang products na gusto mong bilhin sa Live Good. Kasi sa personal website mo, wholesale price ang nakalagay doon. Okay? Ikaw lang ang nakakaalam kung magkano ang wholesale price per product. Okay? Kaya doon ka bumili sa personal website mo. Pangatlong website is your referral website. Yung referral website po, kung may kakilala, kaibigan ka na gusto mong tulungan na kumita, saan mang lupalop ng mundo siya, no, yung referral website ang ipadala mo sa kanya. Ando na rin si Sir Ben mismo nagpaliwanag about the business and everything is in there na. Now, can you imagine for your 3 websites, $49.95 or 3,000 pesos lang pinabayad sa iyo ni Live Good, in which sa labas pag magpapagawa ka ng website or magpapagawa ka ng online store, maraming nagsabi dito ng mga pilosopo ng mga tao at mga taong wala namang kaalam-alam, putak ng putak lang. Ay madali lang naman magpagawa ng website. O sige, magpagawa ka ng online store. Sige nga, no? Magpagawa ka ng online store, I'm telling you, it will cost you 12 to 15,000 pesos. Ordinary online store pa lang yun. Pagpalagyan mo ng mga credit card payment features, ATM payment features, automation, and etc., it will cost you at around 60, 70, 80,000 with a monthly maintenance of 5,000 to 6,000 pesos per month. Can you imagine? No? Magkanong gastos mo noon? Samantala, 3 website binigay sa iyo ni Live Good for only 3,000 pesos or $49.95. Alam mo, bawing-bawi ka dyan, panalong-panalo ka. Okay? Now, of course, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, may websites, marketing tools, online training, etc. etc. Okay? Now, ito na po, 8 ways to earn. Actually, 8 ways po yan. Unang kitaan is the weekly fast start bonus or direct referral bonus for every for every 49.95 na ni-refer mo dito, ay meron kang $25. May kakilala ka, kaibigan, na napa-enroll mo sa ating affiliate program, meron kang $25 na bonus as direct referral bonus. Magkano yan? That's 1,400 pesos more or less. So, in 1 week, for example, makapagpa-enroll ka ng 10. So, $25 times 10, $250 or magkano yan? 14,000 pesos. Referral bonus pa lang. So, weekly po ito nakitaan. Every Thursday in the Philippines. Yes, every Thursday in the Philippines, mga around 11 ng gabi onwards. Yan. Nasa mga kanya-kanyang dashboard na natin yung kita niya. So, mag-maintain ka lang. For example, 10 people a week ang mapapa-enroll mo. So, may around 14,000 pesos a week ka. In 4 weeks time, magkano po yan? Mga around 56,000. Not bad, 56,000, no? For your referral bonus only. Now, ito lang yun, for every 49.95 na directly na pa-enroll mo dito, may $25 ka. And then, meron din tayong tinatawag na indirect referral bonus or indirect fast start bonus ang tawag ko dito. Sa direct, meron tayong 50%. Ayan, ito yan, 50%, yung $25. Pero pag yung direct natin, makapagpa-enroll sila down the line up to the 10th level, meron tayong 10, 5, 5, 3, 2, 1, 1% up to the 10th level na overrides. Okay, madali to. So ito, kasama din po to sa weekly income natin na every Thursday. So for presentation purposes lang po, ikaw to kuha ka 10. 10 na direct. And then, turuan mo yung 10 na kumuha din ng tigsa 10. Your second level will be 100 people. Alam mo, up to the 6th level, sa 6th level pa lang, may 1 million people ka na. Your estimated income dito will be around 32.3 million. Well, this is for presentation purposes lang naman. Pero pag ma-materialize, mas maganda. Okay? So, yan yung fast start at saka indirect fast start income. Up to the 6th level computation pa lang yan. Now, another income is our 2x15 matrix. Ito po yung monthly na kitaan. So, paano po ito? Ganito pong yari niyan. If ikaw po to, marami na pong members na nauna sa'yo. At yan yung more than the 1 million na una sa'yo. So, ang sistema po natin sa ating 2x15 matrix na monthly na kitaan ay ganito po. Now, sabi dyan, all members are placed in the 2x15 matrix. Ang ibig pong sabihin niyan ay iisa lang po ang lagayan. No? Iisa lang ang lagayan. Lahat ng papasok sa LiveGood, nilalagay ni LiveGood sa isang lagayan lang. At yan yung matrix na yan, 2x15 matrix. Yan yung lagayan na sinasabi. Paano po ang sistema dito? Now, 2x15, 2. Meaning dalawa lang po ang harap mo. Yan, dalawa lang. Once meron kang dalawa, lahat ng kasunod niyan ay hindi po pwede ilagay dito. Ibabato na system pa ilalim. Meaning, yung mga nauna sa atin, majority of them ay meron ng dalawa sa harap nila. So anything na sumubra sa dalawa, ang gagawin ng system, sa matrix natin, ibabato pa ilalim. Auto spillover. So ano ang mangyayari nito? There's a chance or there's a possibility na ikaw to ngayon, magkakaroon ka ng tao. Magkakaroon ka ng tao sa ilalim mo na kahit yung mga tao na yun ay hindi mo personally enroll. No? Ibig pong sabihin, saan nang gagaling yun? Galing sa taas. No? Bigay ng system. Auto spillover. Yes, pwedeng mangyari po yun. magkakaroon ka ng tao sa ilalim ng matrix mo kahit yung mga tao na yun ay hindi mo direct. Dahil bigay ng system. We call it the auto spillover. Ang tanong, kailan? Yun lang. Wala pong guaranteed time and date kung kailan tayo malalagyan ni system. Si system lang po ang nakakalam kung kailan. Ikaw na ba yung next na bibigyan? Ang tanong, guaranteed ba na bibigyan? Yes. Guaranteed na mabibigyan tayo ng tao. Yun nga lang, hindi natin alam kung kailan. Ako, based in my within 7 months sa company, based sa experience ko and my team, marami po na mga sa amin dito nagugulat. Pagising nila sa umaga, nagulat sila bakit may 5 tao na sila sa ilalim nila, may 10 na silang tao sa ilalim nila, nakaka-join pa lang naman nila, pero nagulat sila bakit ang dami ng tao sa ilalim. Wala pa naman silang napapa-enroll. That is because of the feature na meron sa ating matrix, yung tinatawag na auto spillover. Meron iba naman after 1 week, meron naman iba after 1 month, meron naman iba after 2 months, after 3 months, nalalagyan ng tao. Pero this is the best. Pag maka-jackpot ka, pag sinuwerte ka, na yung taong binigay sa'yo ng system ay halimaw, agila, monster, magpadami ng grupo, tapos ang laban. I'm telling you, kahit isa lang yan, or kahit 2 lang yan, na ibigay ng system, tapos ang laban, pwede kang kumita ng limpak-limpak. Yan yung sinasabi po namin, na pwede kang kumita dito kahit wala kang personally na-invite or na-enroll. Pero yun nga, wala pong guaranteed time and date kung kailan. Only the system knows. Okay? Very clear. Pero ano ang garantiyan mabibigyan ako ng tao ni system? You should be active every month as a club member. The moment hindi ka active, inactive ka, ang basa ni system ay hindi ka active kasi inactive kasi hindi ka nagbayad ng inyong monthly club membership or yearly, kaya ang status mo sa system hindi inactive ka. So hindi kanya, instead na ikaw na sana ang bibigyan ng tao, since inactive ka for that month, so hindi maibibigay sa'yo. Very clear, ha? No, very clear. Now, ito po ay monthly, kada buwan po ito, ang cut-off. So halimbawa, this month, January, halimbawa, January 1 to 31, pagdating ng katapusan, ang cut-off inabutan up to level 6. So bibilangin ng system. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hanggang dito, 6. Kung ilan mang tao na sa ilalim mo, bibilangin ng system yan. At babayaran ka ni LiveGood ng $0.25 kada isa or around 14 to 15 pesos kada isa. Irregardless kung ang mga tao na yon ay bigay sa'yo, bigay ng system. Ni isa wala kang person na enrolled, bigay lang ng system, spill over ng system, pero babayaran ka pa rin ni LiveGood. Ang sarap, no? O, di ba? Now, kung magkano man yon, yan yung monthly matrix income mo for that month. Month of February 1 to 29, pagdating ng cut-off na napuno from level 6 up to 12. Meaning, mula dito hanggang dito na yan. Pag napuno po yan, kung magkano man yon, kung ilang tao man yan, pag napuno, mula level 1 up to 12, pag napuno man yan, babayaran ka ni LiveGood, no? $0.25 kada isa. Pag napuno level 1 up to 12, $2,047 ang matrix income mo for that month. Sa peso, mga around more or less 114,000 pesos. Wow! Yes, 114,000 pesos. Meaning, Elmo, pwede akong kumita ng 114,000 pesos kahit yung mga tao na yan ay ni isa wala akong personally enrolled. Yes, there's a chance. There's an opportunity. Pero again, klaruhin ko lang para malinaw tayo. No, para malinaw tayo. Wala pong garantiya kung kailan. Baka kasi next month hahanapan mo na agad kami. Hahanapan mo na agad si Livegood. Nasaan yung aking $2,047? No, can you imagine? 600 pesos lang yung binayad mo sa subscription mo for that month. Maghahanap ka na ni Livegood ng $2,047 agad kada buwan. Wala pong ganun. Di ba? So, hindi natin alam kung kailan pwede mapuno. Pero again, uulitin ko, hindi kailangang mapuno para ka kumita. Kada buwan, kung ilan man yan, babayaran ka ni Livegood. Yan? So, pero pag napuno nga from level 1 up to 12, $2,047.50. In peso to 114,000 pesos. Magkano lang naman ang gastos mo dyan? Yung inyong subscription fee. Magkano yon? $995. 600 pesos. Against sa natanggap mo na 114,000 pesos. Panalo ka. Alam mo, 114,000 pesos, I am telling you guys, parang nasa Europe ka na niya nagtrabaho bilang waiter, waitress, no? Or kasambahay. Yeah. Pero I'm telling you, ang dami na pong kumikita ngayon dito sa Livegood ng ganun pong kitaan. 114,000 pesos or $2,047. Now, unranked, yan yung worst for worst scenario na ni isa, wala ka talagang na-enroll ni isa. Meaning, yung mga tao sa ilalim mo ay puro bigay lang ng system. Okay? Puro bigay lang ni system. So, ang mangyari sa'yo, pag wala ka talagang person na enrolled, ang position mo ay hanggang unranked lang at ang income mo pinaka-maximum abutin hanggang 2,047 lang. Pero gusto mo kumita ng mas malaki? Gusto mo ma-promote? Eto, be a bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, crown diamond, royal diamond. Paano magiging bronze? Ang hirap ng requirements po. Sobrang hirap. 2 tao lang na direct i-enroll mo, promoted to bronze ka na. O di ba napakahirap? 2 direct lang. Sa 2 direct mo, pag magkaroon ka ng 2 direct, congratulations, bronze ka na. Your potential monthly matrix income will be $4,095 na po. Or that's around 250 to 260,000. Ay, hindi, sorry. 228,000 pesos isang buwan or kada buwan. No, pag ikaw ay bronze na, yan yung potential monthly income mo for the matrix. Can you imagine? Ang laki na. 228,000, babawas mo lang dyan yung subscription fee mo na $995 o 600 pesos. 228, wow! Parang 16 hours ka nang nagtatrabaho niyan sa Europe or sa Amerika. Pero ang dami na pong kumikita dito sa atin, dito sa Livegood ng ganun pong amount. Yeah, $4,000. 4,000? Dinana. Now, silver. How to become silver? Ito po, ang magic word natin, you should have 20 total of 20 active group members. Meaning your entire group ay meron kang 20 active group. No, group na to ha. Your entire group, pag sinabing active, nagbayad ng monthly club membership. So pag umabot ng at least 20, congratulations, silver ka na. No, pag silver ka na, $4,095 pa rin ang inyong monthly potential matrix income. Paano magiging gold? Ang magic number natin ay 100. Total 100 active members, your entire group. Pag na-reach mo to, congratulations, promoted to gold ka. $8,191 or around 450,000-460,000 pesos kada buwan ang inyong matrix income, potential matrix income. Okay? Now, magkano lang gastos mo niyan? $995 sa monthly subscription mo. Okay? How to become platinum? Ang magic word natin ay total active group members mo should be at least 500. So pag naka 500 active group members ka na, promoted ka na to platinum, and your potential matrix income will be $8,191 or 460,000 pesos kada buwan. And how to become a diamond is ang magic word ay 2,500 total group active members. Ulitin ko po, pag sinabing active, sila yung nagbabayad ng members, club membership fee kada buwan or subscription fee kada buwan. Okay? Now, pag naka at least 2,500 ang buong grupo mo, congratulations, diamond ka na. Pag diamond ka na, your monthly potential matrix income will be $16,383 or that's around more or less 900,000 pesos kada buwan. Wow! Tapos ang gastos mo niyan, $995 lang. That's the beauty of our company. Sa matrix pa lang panalo ka na. Why? No? Kahit anumang position, $995 pa rin. In other companies, malupit doon. The more ka na po promote, palaki ng palaki, no? Yung pahirap nila sa inyo. Sa atin, hindi po. Lahat pantay-pantay. Walang lamangan. Once you become a diamond, congratulations. Kasama ka na sa diamond bonus pool kada buwan. Or meron ka na profit sharing kada buwan pag ikaw diamond. 2% benta ng company buong mundo. Babawasin ang 2% at paghahatian yung 2% na yon sa mga nag-diamond. Meaning pala, ladies and gentlemen, once you become a diamond, you are now parang part owner ka rin. No? Parang part owner ka na rin ni Live Good. Wow, kaya let's go for diamond, no? Let's go for diamond. Now, crown diamond, ito malupit. Dalawa lang po ang crown diamond sa buong mundo. No other than Coach Fernan Santiago at saka si Coach Tim Miller, di ba? So 0.5% benta ng buong mundo, dalawa lang silang naghahati. Wow! Ang lupit nito. Alam mo, ito pa lang, antindi na. Buhay na buhay ka na dito. Okay? Pag ikaw naging crown diamond. Kaya let's go for crown diamond. So, yun po yung ating matrix bonus at saka diamond bonus pool. Next natin kitaan is the matching bonus. Kung nabubuang ka dito sa ating matrix at saka diamond bonus pool, mas mabubuang ka sa ating matching bonus. Sa ating matching bonus po, ay ang sabi dyan, you are going to earn 50% matching bonus on your direct. Ang ibig pong sabihin na ganito, kung magkano ang income ng direct mo sa matrix, 50% ang matching bonus overrides mo sa kanya. So very clear ha? Kung magkano ang matrix income ng direct mo, ang matching bonus overrides mo sa kanya will be 50%. So very clear. Okay. Now, so ito yung ating matrix income, $2,000, no? $8,000, $16,000, no? Now, for example, sa bronze matching bonus. Now, pag ikaw nagiging bronze, ilan nga tao kailangan sa bronze? 2 lang. Di ba? So, pag ikaw nagiging bronze, andyan yung, halimbawa, kakilala mo to, kaibigan mo to si 1 and 2. Since ikaw bronze, your matrix potential income is 4,095. Ayan o, bronze, 4,095. And then, yung in-enroll mong direct, si 1 and 2, meron silang $2,047.50 kada buwan. Kasi unranked sila. Anong sabi doon sa ating matching bonus overrides? You are going to earn 50% of the matrix income ng direct mo. So meaning, meron kang 50% sa 2,047 ni 1 and 2. $2,047. So therefore, kung itotal natin ang income mo, ikaw, $4,095.50 yung matrix income mo kasi bronze ka. Eh, si 1 and 2, ang matrix income nila is 2,047 and you earn 50% of it. Meaning may 1,023.75 ka kada isa. Your personal income, combining your matrix and your matching bonus overrides is $6,143 kada buwan or 344,000 pesos. Ay magkano lang ng ginastos mo dyan? $995 o 600 pesos. Then 344,000 pesos kinita mo. Alam mo, 344,000, my God. Gustong kumita ng ganon? Sa Amerika, sa Europe? Guys, magtrabaho ka 24 hours a day. Walang tulugan. Yeah. Ganun kakitain mo. Akala mo, no? Ganun kadali pag nasa abroad, no? Kaya dati, parang, pero bago kumita sila ng ganun, matindi. Ito. Now, question. Si 1 and 2, ibang tao yan na directly na-enrolled mo. Ibang tao to, kakilala ba o kaibigan mo yan? Ang tanong, payag ka ba na ibang tao ang unahin mo para kumita? Unahin mo pamilya mo, kapatid. Bago ibang tao, pamilya mo muna, i-enroll mo as your direct. For example, family member mo na to, asawa mo, anak mo, si 1 and 2. So therefore, since 3 na kayo na members in the family, ito na yung family income nyo. Combining all your income. Meaning, for a family of 3 members sa Live Good, your family income is $10,238 kada buwan or 573,000 pesos kada buwan. Tanong, buhay na kaya, no? Buhay na ba ang pamilya mo for 573,000 pesos kada buwan? Sinong gusto ng pamilya niya kumikita ng ganito kada buwan? 573,000. Sige nga, type number 2 in our chat box. Sige nga, type number 2. Wow! Si Marjon, gustong-gusto niyan. Si Coach Manilin, si May Leven, si Mario, si Ami, si Ronel, si Eden, gustong-gusto niyan. No? Aba, sino bang aayaw niyan? 573,000? Buhay na ang pamilya mo niyan. Buhay nga sa 10,000 pesos or less than pa eh. No? Pilit nagpakabuhay. Sorry po. Sadya po, no? No. Imagine, marami pong pamilya na pinagkasya ang hindi kasya. Yeah. Kaya I cannot imagine a family earning below 10,000, a family of 5, a family of 7, tapos the family income is below 10,000 a month. Di ko ma-imagine ang buhay. Pero nakaka-survive itong mga tao na to. At hindi po, kumbaga parang hindi kasinungalingan yung sinasabi ko. Ang daming pamilya po na kumikita less than 10,000 a month. No? Would you agree to me? Naniniwala ba kayo? Ang dami niyan. Ang dami niyan. Di ba? Now, samantala sa Live Good, pag makita nila yung ganito, kaya for our team, pwede ba? No? Pwede ba? For the Philippine team, massive talaga tayo. I-save muna natin yung ating pamilya. Kumbaga, it is a must, compulsory. Pwersahan, unahin mo na ang family members. At least, no, dalawa sa family members mo, ipasok mo na agad-agad, kasabay mo na. Kasi 573,000 ako, buhay na buhay ng family niya. No, yan, nilagyan ko lang ng illustration. Now, saka muna ilagay yung mga kakilala kaibigan mo, doon mo na i-connect sa iyong family member. So halimbawa, si kakilala kaibigan mong 3, 4, 5, 6, idugtong mo na yan, doon mo na ilagay kay 1 and 2 na family member mo. So ang mangyayari ngayon, si 1 and 2 na-promote na rin into bronze. 3 na kayo na bronze. So meaning, 3 na kayo in the family na ang income nyo sa matrix is $4,095 kada isa. Ayan o, 4,095, 4,095, 4,095. Anong nangyari sa matching bonus? Yan, sabi ni Coach Ronel, sana noon pa may Live Good. Anyway, hindi pa huli ang lahat. Tama po. No. Now, napaiyak naman ako doon sa iyakin kasi ako pag pamilya ang pag-usapan. Now, ang nangyari ngayon, tumaas ang income ng direct mo, si 1 and 2, which is family member sila. Family member mo sila. Na-promote sila into bronze. Kaya, ang matching bonus overrides natin, ano nga sabi? Ano sabi? You are going to earn 50%. So, ang matching bonus overrides mo kay 1 and 2 ay magkano? 2,047 na kada isa. Kaya if we combine your matrix income and your matching bonus overrides kay 1 and 2, personal income mo pa lang is $8,190 na kada buwan, or that's around 450, 460,000 sa'yo pa lang. Yung family member mo. Di ba? May 4,095 din sila, si 1 and 2. May matching bonus overrides din sila kay 3, 4, 5, 6. Kaya pag i-total po natin lahat, ang total income ng buong pamilya for a 3-member nga lang, 3 members in the family nag-member kay Live Good, ang total income will be $20,476 kada buwan, or 1.1 million kada buwan. Magkano lang naman ang gastos ninyong tatlo? $995 times 3. Magkano yan? 1,800 pesos lang. And then, you earned 1.1 million. Tanong, gusto mo ba family mo? Yan ang kinikita kada buwan, 1.1 million. Sinong gusto na gano'n? Type number 3 in our chat box. Come on, come on. Sige nga. Wow. No? Nagbago ang isip ni Marjun. Kanina gusto niya sa 573, ngayon dito na siya sa 1.1. Oo naman. Diyos ko po. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. Can you imagine? 1.1 million. Naku guys, I'm telling you, you are living in a multi-millionaire subdivision. Hindi ka na magtsatsaga, no? Doon sa squatters area. I'm not against the squatters area, pero it's better to be in a well-gated subdivision. with a 24/7 security guard. Wow! Di ba? 1.1 million? Ako, my God, I'm telling you. Guys, eto lang po ang formula. No? Now, ang daming gusto. Oh. Siyempre, ako, pati, dalawa kong anak. Yan, tama, no? Talagang, sabi ni Pis tayo, gusto ko yan. Oh. Now, what if malaki pamilya mo? 7 ang family mo. In-enroll mo buong pamilya. Eto na po, for a family of 7, your family income will be 1.6 million per month. Guys, try to imagine and try to feel. No, imagine mo to. 3 years from now. 3 years from now. Sabihin natin, 3 years from now, maranasan nyo na to. Maranasan na natin ang 1.6 million kada buwan. Saan kayang university nag-aaral ang anak mo? What car or cars you drive? Ilan kayang yaya ang anak mo, kapatid? Guys, merong direction. No, my future talaga dito maliwanag pa sa sikat ng araw. Yan, sabi ni Marjon, ganyan pala strategy. Okay. Now, eto. Another example, no? Another example. 20 kaibigan kakilala mo. Maghanap ka. 20 kakilala na may 3,000 pesos at kaya magbayad kada buwan ng 600. Sikapin mo yan. Mahanap mo yung 20 tao yan. No? And then time will come, they will be earning $2,047 kada buwan sa Matrix. Direct mo lahat yung 20. 50% ang matching bonus mo. So meaning you're going to earn 1,023 times 20 direct. Your matching bonus overrides will be 1.1 million kada buwan. Hindi pa kasali dyan yung inyong weekly fast start bonus. No? Matching bonus pa lang yan. O sabihin natin, para hindi hype, baka kasi mayroong nakikinig dito. Baka hype or exaggerated yung sinasabi ni yung kalbo na yan. Sabihin natin, yung 20 katao, magagawa mo yan in 2 years time. Grabe naman po. Ang hinang nilalang mo. 20 lang ang direct mo in 2 years. Para realistic. Para hindi hype. Para realistic, achievable, actionable. O hindi hype. 2 years mo nagawa yan. Oh my God. Sureable na po ang 1.1 million mo niyan in the future, di ba? Di ba? Okay. Pero I'm telling you, meron akong direct, mag-iisang daan na po. Again, mag-iisang daan na po ang direct niya. Lumilindol. Now, mag-iisang daan na po ang direct niya. Mag 7 months pa lang siya. Okay? Now, ito. 30 direct. 30 direct. Gawin, sabihin natin, 3 years program. 3 years mo magagawa yung 30 direct. At yung 30 direct, tinulungan natin magiging bronze. Ilan ang direct? O ilan ang kailangang tao direct para magiging bronze? 2 lang. O sabihin natin, after 3 years, na kumpleto mo yung 30 direct. Lahat yung 30, tinulungan natin nagiging bronze. Magkano ang average income ng bronze? $6,000 kada buwan. 50% ka. 50% ka. Magkano sa'yo? $3,000 kada isa times 30 ka-direct. Magkano ang matching bonus overrides mo? 5.4 million. Kapatid, 5 million per month. Wow. 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 No? Ano kayang sports car dinadrive mo? Pero ako kasi I'm not a sports car lover. No? O ilan na kaya condominium mo niyan? Di ba? O, di ba? Saang university nag-aaral mo? Saan nagbabakasyon kayo ng pamilya mo kada taon? Guys, sinong gusto ng pamilya mo or ikaw gusto kumita ng 5 million per month? Sige nga, type in our chat box 5M. Yeah, para malaman natin kung sinong interesado kumita ng 5 million per month. Wow! Wow, ang daming gusto. Ang dami. Si Coach Gina Dumadag, si Coach Ray Di Dios, si Coach Marjon, si Coach Eden, si Edwin, si Jofford. Ay, nandito yung ating dancing queen. Ayan, isang kembot na lang, diamond na yan, si Coach Maria Janet. Hello, Coach! Yan, si Coach Ami. My God! 5 million per month. Wow! O, diba? Now, 30 lang, kapatid, ang in-example ko sa'yo. Gawin mo yan in 3 years. Pero pag ginawa mo yan in 3 years, grabe ka naman, ang hina mong nilalang. Bilisan mo. Diba? Okay. Now, yan, 30. Ito, 50 direct. 50 direct, 5 years program. Okay. 5 years program. Ladies and gentlemen, your matching bonus overrides will be 8.4 million pesos per month or $150,000 per month. Okay. 50 direct, 5 years program. Sige nga. 5 years program. 10 people a year lang. Grabe ka. No? Now, eto, 100 direct. 10 years program. 10 years. 10 people a year. O sabihin mo, ang tagal naman, Elmo. Nako, marami ka dyan. 10, 20, 30 years na sa company nila. Kumikita ba sila ng ganito? Eto, ako, for me yung 100 direct in 10 years time, that's doable. That's achievable. That's actionable. That is realistic. Kaya nga sinasabi ko para hindi hype ang dating, para hindi exaggerated. 16.8 million or $300,000 kada buwan. Wow! Pag 16.8 million na po kada buwan kinikita mo, buwan-buwan bumibili ka ng ito, 2 condominium na 25 to 30 square meter nasa magandang lokasyon. Pero pag medyo malayo from Metro Manila, mga kuan na to. Mga around 5 condominium, mga 3 to 5 or 4 to 5 condominium kada bulan binibili mo. Wow, tapos pina-Airbnb mo. Ay, naku, ang sarap! Diba? Money making money. Now, you are now a person living on rental income. Di ba? Now, eto, yung 100 direct, tinulungan natin, nagiging diamond silang lahat. Wow! Your monthly income will be 45.8 million per month. Pag 45.8 million pesos kada buwan or $819,000 kada buwan kinikita mo, alam mo, kada buwan nagpa-franchise ka ng Jollibee. Kada buwan nagpa-franchise ka ng McDonald's, Chowking, Mang Inasal. Kada buwan nagpa-franchise ka ng Petron, Shell, Caltex. Nung kada buwan, 10 7-Eleven ang pina-franchise mo. Yes, I'm telling you. At ako na mismo magsabi sa inyo. In 3 to 5 years, pinakamatagal po ang 7 years. Live good worldwide. Or baka nga sa Pilipinas, there will be someone or somebody na is going to earn this much kada buwan? Yeah. Sinong gusto ng ganito? Sige nga, type number 88888 in our chat box kung gusto mo kumita 45.8 million kada buwan. Wow, ang daming gusto nila. Grabe si Coach Marjo, no? Hindi talaga nagpapahuli sa pagta-type. Oy, our Diamond Jessa of Binya is here. Hello, Coach! Grabe, no? Nakakalula, sabi nga nila, ay talagang malulula at malulunod ka niyan. Now, eto, 1,000 direct, 168 million per month. Kada buwan, subdivision tinatayo mo. Kada buwan, commercial establishment tinatayo mo. Ilan kayang ektarya kada buwan binibili mo for your farm, retirement. Ang sarap kasi yun, nung gano'n. Di ba? Meron kang, your retirement will be in the farm. May real estate ka, and then nasa farm ka, kumikita din ang farm mo. Okay? Now, di kaya tayo maamlan yan sa bank? May paraan po, madali lang po yan. Mag-register lang kayo ng official business para wala pong problema, no? Now, etc. etc. Okay. So ito for presentation purposes lang. Power of 10. Yung 10 natin, kumuha ng tigsa 10. The matching bonus overrides will be around 3.5 million. Napapansin niyo po, ang lahat ng pinakita ko sa inyo ay puro 50%. Matching bonus 50%. Ayan o, puro 50% pa lang yung pinakita ko sa inyo. Pero mga kapatid, ang matching bonus po natin ay hindi po hanggang 50% lang. Mas lalong mabubuang kayo nito. Nabuang na nga kayo sa laki ng kitaan na yan na 50% pa lang. Ang ating matching bonus overrides ay hindi 50% lang pero hanggang 5th generation. Ito yung 50%. Pero may second generation ka pang 10%. May third generation ka pang 5% overrides. May fourth generation ka pang 5%. At may 3% ka pang overrides sa 5th generation. Sa madali pong salita, ang buong matching bonus is 73%. Wow! And that is unlimited. Woo! Di ba? Ang linaw po yan. Yan yung ating matching bonus. Anyway, huwag nyo na masyadong intindihin yan. No? Ranasin nyo na lang. Ang sarap kasi tingnan to sa dashboard. Eh. No? Hindi ko na maintindihan kung saan na nanggagaling yan. Oo, tutulak. Sabi ko, saan to nanggagaling? Saan to nanggagaling? Kung bahala na, basta. No, withdraw lang ako ng withdraw. O, diba? Now, yan po yung ating matching bonus. Okay? So, ito, sample ng isang kasamahan po natin. Nag-join po siya nung basta. No, January po to siya nag-start. First monthly niya, $50. And then weekly. Tignan niyo po yung second monthly niya, $10,000 agad. From $50 to $10,000. Meaning, sumabog talaga agad yung grupo niya. Ito, magto 2 months pa lang grupo niya. And then weekly, 19, 19, 25, 24, no, 21. And then, third monthly, bonus niya 10.8, 2 ay nako. Ito $15,000, no? Alam ko ngayon ang monthly nito nasa $70,000 to $90,000 na. Monthly pa lang niya. Hindi ko rin alam kung sino yan eh. O diba? Now, ito benta-benta. Pag nakabenta ka, may 50% ka sa presyo ng distributor or members price to retail price. Ini madali lang yung intindihin. And then pag yung ating mga business partner sa ilalim, pag nakabenta sila, meron din tayong overriding pag nakabenta sila sa mga non-member. Influencer bonus, pagalingan ng benta, may additional bonus na ibibigay sa iyo si Live Good. At yung pangwalo nating kitaan, yung acquisition bonus, yung first purchase ng inyong direct, kahit member na siya, meron din tayong overriding nun. So, madali lang yon. Ang importante ay hatawin na natin to. Okay? Malapit na po ako matapos. Last 3 minutes. Sakto, 9:00. Now, I joined the company at 180,000 batch. Ngayon, nasa around 1.1 million members na po. Ang tanong po, bago mag 5 million, bago mag 10 million members, bago mag 50 million, 100, 200 million, sana ikaw na bisita namin ngayon, on board ka na, kasama ka na. O, di ba? Now, baka naman nagdududa ka pa. Coach Elmo, aabot kaya ng million members si Live Good? Now, tulungan kita mag-decide. May alam akong kumpanya, ang membership fee nitong company na to, 20,000 pesos. Yeah. Pinakamababa, 20,000 pesos. And then kada buwan, required ka bumili ng 20,000 pesos din. Pag hindi ka nakabili ng monthly requirement purchase, wala kang kita. Ganun kalupit yung kumpanya na yan. Pero wag ka. Ganun kamahal ang membership fee nila. Ganun kamahal ang kada buwan na kailangan mong bilhin. Pero yung kumpanya na yon, umabot na po yan ng 32, 33 years na. Yes, ganun na katagal. Millions of members na rin worldwide. Maraming milyonaryo na rin na-create yung company na yon. Despite ganun kamahal ang membership fee at monthly required purchase kada buwan. Another company na alam ko, nagsimula sila sa 8,000 pesos ang membership fee. Ngayon nasa 19,000, meron silang 250,000, meron silang 400,000 na membership package. And then required ka bumili ng 2,500 kada buwan para ka kumita. Pag hindi ka nakabili kada buwan, walang kita. Pero yung kumpanya na yun tumagal din. Nasa almost 20 years na rin sila. Millions din ang members at marami ding naging milyonaryo ng kumpanya na yun. Now, sa tingin mo kaya, Live Good, 3,000 pesos, 600 pesos, kada buwan as your club membership fee or subscription fee kada buwan. Merong kita na pwede kang kumita ng million. Sa tingin mo, aabot kaya ng milyones to? Aabot kaya ng 10, 20, 50, 100, 200 million? Kung umabot nga ng 200 million members si Amazon, 124 million si Costco na walang kitaan doon, how much more ang Live Good? O, di ba? Kaya, ladies and gentlemen, the decision is yours. O, di ba? So, 5 reasons to join the company. We are part of the global pioneer. Swerte ng Pilipinas. 1 month lang ang pagitan ng US. December 12, nagsimula sa Amerika. December 12, 2022, January 19, 2023 naman sa Pilipinas. Alam mo, ang swerte natin, Pilipinas. Bibihira po yung ganitong jackpot ng timing. Yeah, I'm telling you. 27 years na ako sa industry. Pag nakarating ang kumpanya, foreign company sa Pilipinas, 10-year-old, 15-year-old, 20-year-old na yung company. Samantala, Tito, we are on the best timing. Kaya can you imagine, ano na tayo 3, 5, 20, 10, 15, 20 years from now? We will become the uplines ng maraming bansa. Wow, Philippines! High quality and very affordable products. Ako na mismo sa inyo, bumili na kayo ng product. Sobrang, alam mo, na in love na ako sa product ng Livgood. Sobra addict na ako. Kaya, eto, sunod-sunod. The other day, may dumating, nag-unboxing tayo. Bukas po, i-unboxing natin yung dumating kanina. Ito, i-unboxing natin to bukas, no? Now, pure online. Grabe. You can do this online. Provided na po ang marketing system, provided na po ang tools, provided na po ang training. Guys, I'm telling you, ang dami ngayon na mga plain housewife, nasa bahay lang sila, pero they're earning kada buwan, 6-figure kada buwan. Sa ilalim ko, grabe, nakakatuwa. I have a lot of business partners na 6-figure kada buwan, no, nag-50,000 na right at the comfort of their home. They can manage their kids na sa bahay. Grabe. They have all the time freedom and the financial freedom sa pamilya nila. Ganun po, no? Without pressure. No? Without pressure, madali, magaan, no? Gawin ng negosyo. A very simple, powerful, lucrative, no? Generous, unique na marketing plan or pay plan. Okay? Kaya anong gusto mo ngayon? What do you want to become? Would you like to become a letter A? To become an affiliate business partner of the company? And let's make a lot of money? Letter B, would you rather be an ordinary member lang? Letter C, would you like to become an ordinary retail customer lang? Kaya type in our chat box now.